Welcome to our channel, Godavari Kids World. Hello little friends. Today we are going to meet some amazing birds. Are you ready? Let's start our wonderful journey into the world of birds. Let's see their names one by one. Koel. It has black or dark feathers with a shiny look. It is famous for its melodious singing. It lives in trees and gardens. Kingfisher. It has bright blue and orange feathers. It has a long, sharp beak to catch fish. It loves to eat small fish and insects. It lives near rivers, lakes, and ponds. Stork. It has a long beak and long legs. It catches fish, frogs, and small animals to eat. It flies long distances during migration. It lives near rivers, ponds, and wetlands. Owl. It has big round eyes that see well in the dark. It hunts quietly at night. It has soft feathers for silent flight. It lives in forests and tree holes. Eagle. It has strong wings and sharp eyes. It hunts fish and small animals. It flies very high in the sky. Quail. It is small and brown with tiny feathers. It walks on the ground and eats seeds. It lives in grasslands and farms. It makes soft chirping sounds. Wow! We met 6 beautiful birds in part 2. Each bird is special and helps nature in its own way. Which one is your favorite? See you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.